Ever wondered why choosing the right database system feels like picking a side in an epic battle of titans? Today we delve into the heart of this clash as we explore the contrasting features of two heavyweights in the database world, MySQL and PostgreSQL. In one corner we have MySQL, the beloved crowd favorite, known for its simplicity and speed. It's the go-to choice for web developers around the world, with a reputation for being easy to set up and use. Its straightforward syntax and uncomplicated structure make it a perfect match for small to medium-sized applications. On the other hand, we have PostgreSQL, the powerful underdog, boasting advanced features and unmatched flexibility. PostgreSQL prides itself on being standards compliant and extensible. It supports a wider set of data types than MySQL, including arrays and HStore, an option for storing key value pairs. It's ideal for complex, large-scale projects that require a robust and versatile solution. While both MySQL and PostgreSQL have their unique strengths, they also have distinct drawbacks. MySQL, despite its user-friendliness, has been criticized for its lack of advanced features. PostgreSQL, while powerful, has a steeper learning curve and may be overkill for smaller projects. Yet it's not about crowning a winner, but about understanding the strengths and weaknesses of each. MySQL shines in its simplicity and ease of use, making it an excellent choice for those beginning their journey into the world of databases. PostgreSQL, with its advanced features and flexibility, is ideal for those who require more from their database system. To summarize, MySQL is your go-to for simplicity and speed, perfect for small to medium-sized projects. PostgreSQL, with its advanced features and flexibility, is the heavyweight champion for complex, large-scale projects. In the grand scheme of things, both MySQL and PostgreSQL are formidable titans in the database world, each with their own strengths and weaknesses. The choice between them depends on your specific needs and the scale of your project. Remember, the right choice of a database system can make or break your project, so choose wisely and may the odds be ever in your favor.